And that is all you need to download Delta Executor, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay guys, so I've got the Delta Executor on my phone right now, and I'm gonna show you a bit of gameplay on it, okay? Alright, as you can see, I'm here in the game, I'm moving around, and there are a lot of gadgets on the right hand of my screen here. As you can see, it's very cool. It works perfectly, seamlessly. You can do whatever you want. Just like that. Okay. Just running around again. Alright, and now I want to show you how to do it. First, I want you to go in your settings and go into your general. Make sure that the background app refresh is made turn on Wi-Fi and cellular data. Okay. Next, you would want to go into your battery. Here it is, and make sure it's turned off on low power mode. And want to go to the App Store and make sure the automatic downloads is turned on. Okay, now that's done, guys. Let's get into your browser, and this is the site to go. Okay, appsbillet.com. Let me just type it again for you guys. All right, here are a lot of games, but of course today we are looking at Delta Executor. Just like that, tap on that and tap on download. Alright, now once this is done, guys, we're gonna go to something called a verification process. It only takes a few minutes. You only need to download 2 apps and make sure you spend about 1 to 2 minutes on it, and that should be it. Very simple, very effective. Okay, now this is done. It's gonna, of course, like I said, redirect us to the verification spot. And now we're gonna download these 2 apps. Let's click on that. It's gonna take us to the App Store. Very reliable, right? Okay, let's just tap this, tap to install. Gonna go with Travel Town right here. And now let's go back and download our second app, which is Dice Dreams. Tap to install that as well. Okay, download that. Okay, and let's get outside. Oh, Travel Town's done. Let's click on that. And what you want to do with these games, guys, is you just spend 1 to 2 minutes. It doesn't matter what you do. Like here, I'm just gonna do some mix and matching, I guess. I don't really know how this game works, but I'm just gonna follow the tutorial and it's gonna be great. Like you can see, I'm just doing some mix and matching. Okay, this goes there, this and that, this and here. Okay, and I think that should be enough. Of course, now let's go into our second app, Dice Dreams. Okay, I'm just following the tutorial, fixing the castle, I believe. Press on that. It's gonna, okay, press on here, fix the castle. Okay, good as new. Now let's, I think we'll upgrade it. Okay. All right. Okay. And, okay, I'm gonna roll some dice because this is Dice Dreams. Okay, click on that. Okay. And I think that should be enough. And of course, guys, this is the game. And if you follow the steps correctly, you should get the game perfectly. This is very effective, very good. And now, of course, this is your turn to try at home. Now,